welcome to another video. In today's video, I am creating gift bags. These gift bags are for our youth department at church. I have been tasked with creating something really special for them. As you know, this is the summer, school has ended, so they want to honor them for their hard work and dedication that they do put in at the church. And it's also National Children's Day this month, so hey, what better way to honor them with a special gift? So these are the gift bags. I cannot wait for you to see the goodies that I found and what I put on the inside. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So these are the gift bags that I decided to go with. As you can see, they are tie-dye theme. I thought these were so cute. I actually picked them up from Hobby Lobby. It was about 4 bags in a pack. They were $3.99 and they were also, I want to say 40 or 50% off, which was great. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to customize the bags. I wanted each child to have their name on there. So what I did was I created these stars. As you can see, one bag, these are for the boys, and it have their names inside the stars. I created these in Canva, so it worked out great. And as you can see, for the girls, I kind of went with a yellow star and I put their names on the inside of that as well. All right, so the next thing that's going inside, I wanted to continue with the customization. So what I did was I got bottled water and I customized the labels on the bottled water. So it says, "You are amazing, keep up the great work." Like I said, we were honoring the youth department at our church, and we just wanted to reward them for a great school year, for doing well. They always show up, they work really hard. So this is so befitting. You are amazing, keep up the great work. And then I also put the church name on the outside along with youth department. I put a little cross, equals love. So Christ equals love. So I put this together. I love how these came out. The labels were really easy to create. And I also, I think if for those who watched my Amazon unboxing, you saw that I got these little party favors from Amazon, some Galaxy slime. It's actually really not bad slime. It's more of a putty. It's not messy at all. So I think this is going to be great. The kids are going to love this. So what else do we have inside of the bag? Of course, we're going to have some snacks. I decided to go with hot chips because all kids love hot stuff that they really don't supposed to have. But this is going to be the exception because, hey, we want to do something that they will enjoy. So I have hot chips. I also have Oreos that will go inside of the bag. And I also have these Twizzlers, little nibs that's going to go inside the bag. All right, so I also went shopping at Five Below and I found these little toys that were $1. So we have some really small kids. So I found these little dinosaurs for the little boys. How cute is that? How cute is this? And this was on the dollar aisle. So they had green and they had red. So I made sure to grab those. We have 6 boys and we have 9 girls. So it'll be 9 girl bags and 6 boy bags. So I've got these for the boys. I also got this from the dollar section also at Five Below. These are little fidget spinners. I know fidget spinners was a big thing a while ago. Not really sure if they're a big thing, but it was $1. It came in like 5, 6 different colors. So I made sure I grabbed these for the boys. The girls probably would have liked these as well, but we're gonna save these for the boys. So this is going inside the boys' bag. So also on that same dollar aisle, they had yo-yos. Look, I had to grab these yo-yos, y'all, because this takes me back to my childhood. I don't even know if the kids even like playing with yo-yos, but they gonna learn today, y'all. So we got yo-yos. This has a Jolly Rancher sign on the front of it. This right here has some little cute, colorful flowers. This right here has, this looks like a donut. It has a donut on the front of it. So that's going to be great for the girls. And I also have these little bracelets that I picked up. These are some light up bracelets, so I really think they are going to get a kick out of these little light up bracelets. It has a little light. How cute is that? So yes, this is going to also go inside of the girls' bag. Not so much for the boys, but definitely the girls. All right, so what else do I have? I really wanted them to know how special they are and how loved that they are. So last but not least, I cannot go without putting a piece of jewelry inside the bags. Of course, you guys know my first craft, my first love is jewelry making, but I didn't make these, okay? I actually ordered these cute little bracelets from Amazon. They came in a set. I want to say at least 12 bracelets came on the inside. It was probably more than that. But they have little words on the outside, like this one says lucky, this one says best, one says friends. Some of them have love. Some of them have just cute little sayings, brave. So I thought that would be great. And I also saw one that had the word faith on there. So that is definitely befitting for the youth department at the church, okay? And so last but not least, those was for the girls, right? So these are actually custom handmade bracelets that I had. And these are some cute little beaded bracelets, and they have the cutest little cross on them. And these are gonna be for the boys. I think they are going to love these. So I am going to stick these inside for the boys, and hopefully they like it, you guys. So y'all tell me what y'all think so far. Do you think they are going to love these bags? Kids, they are just so funny. It's just really hard to shop for them, but I think they will probably get a kick out of these little goodie bags, okay? So that is basically everything that's going to go inside the bag. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and maybe stuff a couple of bags, and that's just going to be it. So we're gonna put the water on the inside. I am going to put a package of Oreo and a package of hot fries. So basically everyone is going to get that. So with this one right here, it has a purple little donut yo-yo. This is for the girl. And I think this is going to be great. And we are also going to y'all know I like to pull order maybe. So I'm gonna stick this purple bracelet on the inside, and I'm also going to stick this bracelet on the inside as well, okay? And what else do we have? Oh, and I've got to put our slime ball. We're gonna call it a slime ball. I'm gonna put my little slime ball on the inside right here. I wanna make sure I got everything on the inside. I think that is everything that I want for the girl bag. And the next thing I am going to do, I want to keep it simple since the bag is really colorful, has a lot going on. I am just going to keep it simple, and I'm going to just drop a plain white gift tissue paper on the inside, just like this. And there you have it. So this will be for little Miss Sydney. And now I'm going to just package another one. This is going to be for Mitchell. It's so funny because these two are brothers and sisters. So what's up, y'all? They do sometimes watch my channel. So shout out to Sydney, shout out to Mitchell. All right, so this one is going to be for Mitchell. So of course he's going to get a water, he's going to get Oreo snacks, he's going to get the nibblers, the little nibs. Did I put this in Sydney's bag? I don't think I put this in Sydney's bag, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop this inside of Sydney's bag. Make sure Mitchell gets one, and we are going to get Mitchell a bracelet here with a cross on it, and I think he would probably like the green little, what is this? This is actually a dinosaur. I forgot to mention, this is a dinosaur. That is so cool. That is so cool. So we got him a dinosaur in there, and then we are going to color coordinate with a green fidget spinner. All right, I think I've got everything on the inside. Oh, I almost forgot the slime ball, y'all. Almost forgot the slime ball. So we're gonna put him a slime ball in here. So their bag is actually packed with lots of goodies. And then we will just add the gift tissue paper on the inside, just like this. And guess what? We're done. So I'm gonna do this about 15, well actually it's a total of 15, so I'm gonna do this 13 more times, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up, because y'all know how I am about my thumbs up. I hope you are having a wonderful off season. I want you to enjoy it. I want you to get some rest, and I want you to gear up for a busy season next this fall coming up. All right, thank you, and have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.